In this video, I will show you how to use AI to enhance and restore faces from blurry and low quality images. And I'll be using a tool called VideoProc Converter AI, and you can find a link to the free trial of that tool in the description of this video. So to enhance your faces using AI, first head over to this site called VideoProc.com and download the software. Then once download has been completed, open the software up and choose the image AI model. Then just drag and drop an image into the view. Then look at the image and choose the faces or the face that you want to enhance. For example, you can do high quality faces, center face, or all faces. And then once you run it through the enhancer, you will see a nice before and after image like the one that I'm showing here right now. So as you can see, the image quality improved quite drastically. And here is a side-by-side comparison. So these faces didn't end up looking funky like all these other AI enhancers might make them look like, and also you can see that it clearly improved the image quality. Then let's use VideoProc AI to do a little face restoration. So as you can see, we have a very blurry picture right here. And right now I will show you how to use AI to remove the blurriness and make it sharp again. So all you need to do is choose the face restoration option and click on start. And now the inference process starts. And after a couple of seconds, you're going to see a sharp version of the original image, which looks absolutely incredible. And last but not least, let's do a similar face restoration on this family photo during Christmas Eve. So once again, this tool analyzes the faces in the image and it's going to infer what those faces would look like if the image was sharper. And here you can see the side-by-side comparison between the original image as well as the face restored image. And once again, I love the fact that you can see that the change is not something insane. So you can clearly see that the faces were restored and the quality is a lot sharper. But those faces don't end up looking funky or out of this world, which is something that most of these other AI tools do when they are overfitting their models to do the process. And now the only issue I have with VideoProc is that these features are only available for Windows at the time of making this video. So if you want to find a similar free product that lives online, I highly recommend you checking out AIEase.ai. I have also left a link to this page in the description. So you can use this one to restore your photos. For example, we can click here, then we can drag and drop the image of the woman that you saw in the earlier clip here. And then we can remove the colorization because this already has colors. We can just click this enhancer and then let's click generate. And there we go.